everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this bad boy right here. As you can see, I've already used it to get my hair nice and beautiful and dry. This thing has me, it just is so good. And being a hairdresser, you know, we're taught to blow dry with a brush or a round brush or a paddle brush and the blow dryer, and I am just in awe. This little contraption I got for $32 on Amazon, and holy crap, like, it's fantastic. So if you want to see a quick demo and you want to see a mini review on this bad boy right here, you just keep on watching. So we're going to go ahead and review the Revlon hair dryer and styler. This is amazing. It makes some pretty outrageous claims, but I'm going to read this to you and let you know what they are. It is a salon one-step hair dryer and styler. Power of the dryer, precision of a styler. It's smooth results with less frizz in half the time. Less heat-related damage. Ionic technology reduces frizz and enhances shine. Large paddle design dries and smooths hair quickly. Detangling bristles help dry, smooth, and style hair, and it's lightweight, ergonomic, designed for maximum comfort and ease. It says tangle-free drying in half the time. I'm gonna go ahead and go through what I did as a process to get to where I am. I do believe that it says less heat-related damage. I do think that that is the case. I'm gonna show you my brush up close. I didn't want to take the hair out of it because I really wanted you to see how much hair came out while I was doing my entire head. Considering how much I lose when I paddle brush and blow dry my hair with the traditional method, this is nothing. It honestly took me about a 20-minute period to get my hair all dry, the whole thing. And I did 3 subsections. And when I went through the bottom, I was very cautious about not putting my hands up here because it does get hot up at the top of the actual brush. And it does show you right here on the pamphlet not to put your hand up high. I was trying my best to go in and brush my hair first with another brush, and I realized you didn't need to do that. So I went through and really focused a lot of my attention at the top of this brush. I only did that because a lot of the heat source is coming out of the top of it. So as I was going down, it was getting drier and drier. So I was going through and I was brushing my hair like I normally would if I was using a big paddle brush. It really did get my hair dry, and it doesn't look nearly as frizzy as it would have if I did it with a paddle brush and a blow dryer. I had a lot more control. I felt like it moved much better through my hair. The only products I did put in my hair I showed you in this clip, and those products I usually use on a pretty regular basis because I like to put a little bit of a cream as well as an oil together, and I combine that and put it all the way through my hair. I went through and did the middle section, and I used thicker sections when I was doing that because I wanted to test it and see how long it was going to take to dry my hair and if it was going to be different than taking smaller subsections like I did in the previous bottom part of my head. And honestly, it worked just as good, just fine. It got it nice and straight. It's not crazy frizzy. I would like to go in and do some curls and stuff, which eventually I will do. But I mean, for a blow dryer that has a brush on it, to be able to make those claims and actually get your hair nice and shiny, nice and straight without having to go in and use another blow dryer or anything like that is just crazy to me as a hairdresser. I would love to see this actually used on natural hair. I do have a couple clients that have mixed texture hair that are really curly. I would love to use this. I know that there's reviews and stuff online as well, but I would love to use this like in person on my client to see how straight I can get her hair before I go in and manipulate it with a flat iron or curling iron. I just think that this thing is freaking awesome. And for $32, you can't beat it. I mean, I'll put the link down below for the place that I bought it on Amazon and let them know I sent you over, because I mean, this thing is freaking amazing. I believe the large paddle design is really good because it does really get into that thick, dense hair. If you've got more fine hair, I don't think that you would need something this heavy duty. I would probably go with just a regular paddle brush and a blow dryer, or Eventually, I think that they're going to be making one that's like a Denman brush that you can blow dry as well. It's a little bit tighter, kind of right through here, or half the size of this actual paddle brush. If that is actually out, I think it might be. If that one's out and you guys want to see a review, let me know. I can always order that one and do another review on it too, and kind of a demo. But I really love the fact that this is geared towards people that have really dense curly hair, people who have really long hair and wavy hair like I do. I mean, if you saw in the thumbnail, I'll put a picture of it right here too. I have a shit ton of hair, and pardon my language, but I have so much hair and it's really wavy and it gets really crazy very, very fast. So having something like this, being able to just kind of brush through and blow dry at the same time, makes it so easy. I don't feel like I have shoulder issues, because a lot of the time I'm blow drying my clients, and let me tell you, I get lots of shoulder buildup. I get lots of knots in my shoulders and my upper back. But this didn't give me that. I didn't feel like I was overexerting myself. It was amazing. Like, what? I'm just truly, truly surprised. I think that this is well made. It does get warm up here, so just be mindful of that when you're using it. Try to keep down like right in that middle section. All the air to intake is on this bottom part, but if you want to change the settings are right here. It does have a low setting, a high setting, and a cool shot. In this clip right here, what I was doing is using the hot shot, and I was going through until it was about 100% and it was dry. Then I went in and changed the setting and put it on the cool tone. And when I did that, it just locks in the hair and keeps it from getting frizzy. That's why I like to use a cool shot if I'm doing round brushing techniques and things like that. I know that there's another one out there that is more of a round shape and it's bigger. And if you want to see a review on that as well, please let me know in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up so I know that you like these videos, because I'm doing more hair than I am makeup. I have watched a few videos on that other volumizing one. I do have so much hair, I don't know if it's going to work on mine just because I have so much. But if that's something you're interested in because you have a ton of hair, then let me know. Honestly though, for anybody who's got hair that's going to be about shoulder length or lower, I would say this is highly recommended. If you have fine hair, there's a smaller version like a Denman one out there that has the blow dryer. I would highly suggest that one because it's just gonna make your life so easy. And honestly, best $32 I ever spent. I'm going to use it at the salon. I'm definitely going to use it on a few of my clients that have that really curly, dense hair, and I really want to see what happens. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see something else reviewed, please let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you have not already. If you want to see more about what I'm doing in my daily life, go ahead and follow me on IG. My handle is exactly the same as it is here. All right, I love you guys. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Yeah! Bye.